Today we're showing you a Kubota BX25D tractor loader backhoe. Tractor has, I believe this rated at 24 or 25 horsepower. It has just over 100 hours on it. I'll show you the hour meter here. The hour meter is 108.2 if you can read it there. This tractor came in with a package. The tractor is normally not the type of tractor we would normally buy. It does have some issues. It's looks like it's definitely been stored outside. Looks like it was a county tractor out of Sarasota County, Florida, the way it looks here. It does have some rougher cosmetics on it. The front of the hood here is missing, or broken I should say. Hood also has some fade to it. You can see where they had a sticker on the top of the hood here, and then their letters were, or their numbers were imprinted there in the hood. It does run good. The four-wheel drive engages and disengages. The loader up front here, it goes up and down fine, but it does not hold a load. So it seems as if the cylinders are leaking off on it. So if you lift it up, have any type of a load on it, it's just going to drift down. So probably will need those cylinders repacked. That is a guess, so we didn't actually check that out, but that's what I assume it needs. You can see some of the rust starting to come through here. Seat on it here, I'll show you the seat. Also have some rust on the seat here. Underneath here, just simply looks like it just simply sat outside. The backhoe does have lots of pressure. As you can see, it's sitting here not running, and it's holding the rear of the tractor off of the ground, no problem. We can also take the boom and lift the tractor right off the ground as well, so no issues with backhoe pressure. Again, it's just that loader that seems like we've got leaking seals in the cylinders. The tractor can be equipped with 3-point. We do not have the 3-point arms. That you can see, it's got the little stubbies there, so you can add that. It does have the PTO in the back here, and then also has mid PTO. Down below here, the PTO lever here is completely froze. It won't move, so that's going to need to be freed up before you can use the mid or the rear PTO. This is one of our budget-friendly tractors. We're selling this tractor as is, where is. Again, not normally a tractor we'd have on our yard. Just came in with a package, so this is everything that we know about it. Again, it is budget-friendly. It is selling as is, where is. We do not have the time to go over this tractor and do the little things it needs. So find the tractor as is, where is. If you have questions on the unit, please feel free to contact us. You can reach us on the web at massedtractor.com. We can also arrange trucking for this unit anywhere here within the U.S. We can also offer financing. If you do need financing, we can finance this unit. See some paint off of the backhoe part there. So there you have it. Again, you can see the back of the tractor still off the ground there, so that's totally good. Leaking cylinders in the loader up front. There you have it. Again, budget friendly as is, where is. Any questions, contact us, massedtractor.com.